I'd like to wish all of my viewers a very Merry Christmas. We got flashy Damsels coming up. There's a hot looking female in a 1937 Ford Custom Roadster. Ooh, here's cute honey. And a 1947 Dodge Custom pickup. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Whee, here's a lovely lady in 1957 Chevrolet Corvette Custom Convertible. Awesome beauty here in a 1967 L88 Chevelle that sat for over 30 years. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's in the show, folks. Hope you liked it. Have a good day.